Okay, now that we've got the Arduino software installed, we now need to install a driver. What drivers do is they help your computer to recognize hardware that you plug into it. By default, it doesn't always recognize what's plugged into it. So it just helps to ensure that they can communicate with each other. So to do this, we're gonna quit Arduino for now. So we've installed it and we've got it working. So now we're going to quit it. And we're going to go back to our presentation and we're going to click on the driver, and it's going to take us to a folder in Google Drive. Now, as you can see at the top here, there are a number of drivers that are listed on here. And the one that you need to download and install is going to be dependent on the operating system you have on your computer. It depends on how recently you've updated your computer. So if you go to the Apple logo and go to About This Mac, it tells me that I am on version 10.13.4, which is called High Sierra. Hopefully yours is also High Sierra, you've updated the latest version, but if you haven't, you're going to want to get the previous version. So if you've got Sierra, you're going to want that one. If you really haven't updated your laptop in a while and you want El Capitan, then you would do that one, and maybe even Yosemite. But hopefully you're on this one. Select it and download it. It'll scan it for viruses. It's not very big, it's only 54 kilobytes. And once that has downloaded, we'll work through this. We'll agree to the statements, install it on the computer, ask for our password, so you type in yours, install software. Okay, I edited the video to trim it out. Yours may take a little bit longer. It may take 3 or 4 minutes to install fully, but I've edited mine just to keep the file size of this video down. If we've done that, then we are ready to close it. Do I want to put the installer in the trash? I'm going to press keep. Just for now, in case I need to reinstall it later on. You don't have to do this step, but I strongly recommend it. It's going to be a good idea for you to restart your computer, just to ensure that all the packages have run exactly as they should have done. Once you've restarted, you should then be able to go back to Arduino, and it should be the latest version of it, and you should be able to open it up as before.